Hello students, in today's session we are going to discuss about fixed capital method. It is a method under which the capitals of the partners shall remain fixed. What happens here? The capital remains fixed year after year. Fixed means every year the capital value is same. But it will change only when additional capital is introduced or a part of the capital is withdrawn. See, in this method, capital remains fixed year after year. But if there is additional capital or drawings should be added with the capital. Except these items, other items should not be entered in this capital account and also cannot be added with this capital. Under this method, two accounts are maintained for each partner. What are those? Partners capital account and another one is partners current account. As I mentioned, in this capital account, we do write opening capital, additional capital and drawings if there is. Except these items, we should not write other adjustments in this capital account. Then where do we write the adjustments? We should write all other items like share of capital, drawings, interest on drawings, interest on capital, remuneration of the partners. Everything should be entered in partners current account. In the capital account, only capital balance with additional capital and capital withdrawal, if any, is recorded. I think you have understood. With the opening capital, we do enter what? Additional capital. If there is drawings, the drawings also should be recorded in partners capital account. Except these items, should not write the other items in partners capital account. In the current account, all other items like share of profit or loss, interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawings, partner's salary and commission are recorded. So all these adjustments we do enter here in partner's current account. So this is about fixed capital method. So we shall discuss the pro forma of fixed capital method. Pro forma of partner's capital and partner's current account under fixed capital method. We shall see the pro forma here. First, partner's capital account. Under which method? Fixed method. See here the ledger table. Debit. Here it is what? Credit. Under on debit side, date, particulars, JF. JF means what? Journal folio amount. Date for credit, date, particulars, journal folio amount. Okay? Yes. First item should be by balance brought down. What is this by balance brought down? This by balance brought down is nothing but opening balance of capital. What is the ledger? Capital. So opening balance of capital we do write here on credit side. You know that capital is a liability. So by default we do enter it on credit side. It's a pro forma. I should not write the amount. So I write here what? X. What is next? By bank. What is this by bank account? This by bank account is nothing but fresh capital introduced by the partners. It's nothing but additional capital. This additional capital is also a credit value. We do enter on credit side. First, what did I write? Opening balance of what? Capital. After writing this, I do enter what? Additional capital of the partners. If there is drawing, we should write to bank account. It is of withdrawal. It's a permanent withdrawal of the partners on capital. Drawing is a debit value. We do write here on debit side. I should not write the amount because it is a pro forma. It's pro forma of partners capital account. Okay? Yes. And after this, any other items do we enter? No, we don't enter other items. All the entries we have done here in partners capital account. What did I write? Opening balance of capital, then additional capital, both are credit values. We do enter it on credit side. Next I did enter what? Drawings. Drawing is a debit value. We should write this drawings on debit side. So all these I have entered. Now we do what? Total. To do what? Balancing. Total credit side, it is more, I feel. That means there are two values, means we get more total on credit side. Of course, always in partners capital we do get credit side values more. So total. The same total I do enter here on debit. From this, if I deduct this, I will get what? Balance here. This balance should be written here as to balance carry down. This is about closing balance. This is opening balance of capital. This is closing balance of capital. So this is about partners capital account under fixed method. Next, we shall discuss about partners current account under fixed. I am going to write what? Pro forma of partners current account. Shall we start? Yes. The first value is by balance brought down if it is a credit balance. What is this balance brought down? In partners capital we wrote balance brought down of capital. This balance brought down of about the opening balance of current account. Current account balance we do get in question. When we get current account balance, we do write here in your ledger. If there is credit balance, we do write that opening balance of current account on credit side. If we get debit balance, we should write the opening value as to balance brought down on debit side. So it's based on the information. Okay? Yes. Here also I write what? X, because it is about pro forma. After this, I do write by interest on capital. This is the interest we do calculate on the opening capital of the partners. So this interest on capital is an what? Income to the partners. So we do write this on credit side, because partners will receive interest from the firm. And next one is by partners salary. Partner's salary is also an income to the partner. All the incomes and gains based on the nominal account rule, we do show it on credit side. All the expenses and losses we do show on debit side. So salary is an income to the partner. We have to take this to the credit side. And next one by partners commission account. Commission is also an income to the partners. We have to take this to the credit side. Next, by P&L appropriation account. By P&L appropriation account, share of profit. In P&L appropriation account, profit was calculated, that is transferred to partner's current account, means we should take. Profit is a credit balance, we do write it on credit side of partner's current account. Clear? Yes. And next one is drawings. Already one drawings, withdrawal on capital, we entered in partner's capital account. This is drawings against profit. We have to show this drawings in partner's current account. Drawing is a debit balance, we should write here it on debit side. Next to this, interest on drawings is also an expense to the partners. We have to write this interest on drawings on debit side of partner's current account. If there is loss in P&L appropriation, should be transferred to debit side of partner's current account, because loss is a debit value. Share of loss, we write here on debit side. So all the entries I have entered. So do we recall this? How do we recall? See here, it's a balance value of current account. If it is a credit balance, we take this credit balance on credit side. Debit balance should be taken on debit side. Interest on capital, it is an income to the partner, we have to take this to the credit side. Partner salary is also an income to the partners, we have to write this on credit side. Partner's commission is also an income to the partner, we have to record this on credit side. P&L appropriation, profit transferred to partner's current account, we have taken on credit side, written. Here debit opening balance of current account should be taken on debit side. Drawings, it's drawings on profit, we should take this drawings on debit side. Interest on drawings is an expense to the partner, should be recorded here on debit side. P&L appropriation account, loss was calculated and the loss transferred to P&L transferred to partner's current account, means we do write here write this on debit side. That's all the entries we have posted. So again, once again, total I do write the same total, I will write here on debit side. From this I deduct all these items of debit, then I'll get the balance. That balance should be written here as to balance carry down. This is the closing balance of current account. Is it clear? So this is about partner's current account under which method? Fixed method.